How do you cut a cantaloupe? Here's a few tips. It's similar to an onion. Resist the temptation to cut this through the equator. I'm going to cut off both sides. I'm going to stand this up, and then, just using my knife, working away from me, I'm just going to follow the rind. What that's going to allow me to do is get these nice panels off. By cutting this with a large knife, it's extremely fast, it's very safe, it's pretty accurate, and you have the added benefit of having it look really nice. Once I have all the skin off, I can cut this in half, peel out the seeds, try to get it out in one shot. Makes it look nicer. Then, you just take a nice large chef's knife, and I'm going to make my slices across the cantaloupe so that I can fan this out and make it look awesome. You are ready for prime time.